Good evening, everybody. Happy Fire Alarm Friday. It is now time for a long awaited System Test 6 of the MS-9600UDLS system. So anyways, let's get started. This system test was requested by Vintage Simplex Fire Alarms of New York. So let's go over what devices that he requested. Up here, NAC 1 requested the Simplex 493-9215. And over here, NAC 2 requested the Gentex GMS. That's right, this is not SHG, this is the GMS, which is the electromechanical version of the Gentex SHG. And it has the same horn as this alarm does. And this strobe is 1575 candela, and this one is 30 candela. And down here, got the SD365, H365R. And down here for the conventional pull station, for the monitor module, he requested the Simplex 2099-9101. And then coming over here, down here below the annunciators, he requested the Simplex 2099-9756. And tonight we will be doing a fire drill on the a short fire drill on the annunciator. So, with all that said and done, let's go ahead and start with the test. And now, before I start with the test, again, please do not pull fire alarms in real buildings or tamper with any life safety equipment out in public, or not be responsible for your actions if you choose to do so. And please do not watch if you have epilepsy to flashing strobes or lights. The system is set on March time, and we're going to go ahead and start by, let's pull the 2099-9101 first. So, here we go. Headphone users, please turn down your volume. Everybody ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As you can see, no audible silence this time since both of these are doing two-wire operation. Now we're going to go ahead and realarm with the B212LX. Here we go. These two devices actually sound really good together on March time. Alright. Now I'm going to go grab my keys real quick so I can reset the pull stations. And after I reset these two pull stations, we're going to realarm again by pulling the 2999-76 over below the annunciators. Wait, that's the wrong key. We will not be testing the detectors today. I do apologize about that. So, pull stations are now reset. Now we're going to go over here and pull the 2999-76. Here we go. And I'm also going to silence and reset the system from the annunciator. Right. Now we're going to go ahead and reset from the annunciator. Alright, system's now back to normal. And now we're going to come over here and we're going to do a walk test. And I'm going to pull the BG12LX again and then key activate the 9101 and the 9756. So, just going to come over here. We're going to do an audible walk test this time. Right, unit's now on walk test. Now we're going to pull the BG12LX again. And the alarms will only just sound for just a few seconds and then shut right back off. So, here we go. Right. Now we're going to go ahead and key activate the 2999-9101. Alright. Now we're going to come over here and key activate the 2999-76. Here we go. And to just go out of walk test, I think you can just reset the system. Actually, I was wrong. I have to take the unit out of walk test. So, see, here's all the devices that I did on the walk test. And you can also view them on the annunciators. Got module 5. folks. Turns out I forgot to reset the BG12LX. So, now we can reset the system. I was going to reset from the annunciator, but since I'm already over here, I just go ahead and reset from the panel. After we do the fire drill on the annunciator, we'll reset on the annunciator. So we're just going to come over here. And we're just going to go ahead and press the drill button. Here we go. Now we're just going to go reset from the annunciator. Alright, system's now back to normal. And in the future, I'm probably gonna put like an interface module right here and then a conventional detector right below it. So y'all stay tuned for that. But anyways, this is gonna do it for new system test. I'm sorry, for 9600 System Test 6, everybody. Special shout out to Vintage Simplex Fire Alarms of New York for requesting this system test. And if you'd like to request a system test, the instructions on what to do are in my collection video. And I will also have the instructions down in this video. So, if y'all like to request a system test, just follow the instructions. But anyways, happy Fire Alarm Friday. Be sure to check out my other fire alarm videos, and I'll see you next time, everybody. Good night, everybody.